Welcome to a Business Casual Tips channel. In today's video, we are going to have a simple example about variables. Let's start. We have three columns and we want the user write the name of the company, the country, and the price of the product. Okay, let's go to Developer tab, Visual Basic, and here you can insert a module. We will name our program now sub my new program. If you want to declare variables, you need to know the name. You need to know the type actually. For example, here, company name. We will write like simply the name, okay? If you need to write the name of the company, the name of the person, we use string, okay? Dim company name as string. Of course, you can write again like something different. Like for example, you can write like that. It's also okay, but in the future, when you have more complicated programs, it's gonna be bad for you really because it's going to be so complicated. Here, country, dim country as string again, but also there is easier way. You know what you can do? If they have the same type, you can simply do it like that. You don't need to write every single time. And price. Price is an integer value. Dim price as integer. We declared our variables. Now the second step is to get those values from the user. How we will do it? We will use Inputbox. Inputbox is a window that gets value from the user. I'm gonna show you soon. Actually, you will see it. Company name equal Inputbox. There are, you see, descriptive stuff here. We will just write prompt. We will give the information about this window. You will also see. Please write the name of the company. It will appear like, just let's try it. You see, please write the name of the company. Company A. Okay. It finished. Of course, you cannot see it here because I didn't make it written here, but you will see soon. Now, let's also use Inputbox for name of the country. Country Inputbox name of the country. Between quotation marks, we are going to write this, by the way. And price. Price equal Inputbox. What is the price of the product? Okay, we will get these values and we will make them written here. Range A2, B2, C2. Let's do it. Range A2 dot value equal company name. You see there was a mistake about the typing the name. Range B2 dot value equal country, and range C2 dot value equal to price. We will get these three value and we will make it written here. Let's start. Company, name of the country USA. What is the price of the product? I say 55. As you see, those values directly came here. the thing we have done, like I want to summarize. First, we need to declare variables. Secondly, we need to appoint value to variables, okay? Here I prefer to get the values from the user, but you can also simply a company. You can do it too. But in this example, there is no meaning, but in the future, we may use it for some loops. I'm going to tell you everything, don't worry. And after getting values from the user, we make them write down to our Excel screen. I hope you understand. If you have any kind of question, please write it in comment section. Hope to see you in our next videos.